Hey guys, JD here. So I got this product to review. This is a Stanley Cup replacement lid, and half the time when I have my Stanley Cup lid, I either misplace it or it's in the dishwasher, or I'm just carrying it around like this and I'm just drinking it straight from the container. This is nice because if this one's dirty, I can always use this, or if this one eventually breaks, I can go ahead and use this replacement one here. And I like the fact that you do have the slide here, so that way you could slide and just drink this straight from the cup if you wanted to, or you could put a straw in here as well. Push this right open, drink whatever you want, and then close it. You're able to actually turn this on your Stanley a little bit easier, because one of the things that we kind of had difficulties with is actually opening the Stanley Cup itself. Because you have this lip here, you can turn on this to get the lid off so much easier, so that way I won't have to come in and open it for my girlfriend, because usually this lid gets stuck on a lot. And even with this replacement lid, I've noticed that my beverages stay warm or cold depending upon what it is. This only fits this version of the Stanley Cup, so just know that. It's great quality. I really like the material. You have silicone right here on the bottom. I would definitely say check this out if you need a replacement lid for your Stanley Cup.